Heavy rain and strong winds will continue across parts of Victoria and southeast New South Wales today and Saturday, while flooding will continue across parts of Queensland and New South Wales. Widespread rain and thunderstorms impacted much of Queensland, New South Wales, South Australia and Victoria yesterday and overnight, with many locations in Queensland and New South Wales seeing 50 to 100 millimetres. For some, this was their highest fall in years. Some saw falls over 100 millimetres through parts of inland Queensland, with the highest being 157 millimetres at Red Hill. Today, the focus shifts to Victoria and southeast New South Wales, with severe weather warnings current for heavy rain in eastern Victoria and damaging winds in central Victoria. Rain on already saturated soils may lead to flash and riverine flooding across eastern Victoria, and damaging winds may bring down trees and power lines, especially about south-facing slopes of the Central Ranges. Flood warnings are current for numerous rivers across inland parts of Queensland and much of inland New South Wales, with major flooding possible on parts of the Lachlan River. Residents living on or near flooded creeks and rivers need to stay updated with the latest forecasts and warnings as floodwaters continue to move downstream in the coming days. Remember, if it's flooded, forget it. Flood watches are also current for much of southern and eastern Victoria, as we are seeing widespread rain continue to impact much of central and eastern parts of the state today and tonight. This rain will slowly move eastwards on Saturday, with the focus being eastern Victoria and southeast New South Wales, before finally easing and clearing offshore Saturday night. With rain and flooding continuing across parts of Victoria and New South Wales in the coming days, it is vital to stay up to date with the latest forecasts, warnings and road conditions for your areas, and please listen to all advice from emergency services.